guys, we are here phrases learn with me. This is under column. We have 3 phrases to explain, to use and to make you understand. So 3 phrases are there. So let us take one by one. The first is sour grapes, second is yeoman service, and third is pros and cons. So let us take first one. Sour grapes is a phrase based on a story, very popular story, that there was a fox, and fox was hungry and she saw grapes, very juicy grapes hanging on the tree, and she tries to get them. She tries once, but she failed. The grapes were above her height. She again tried, she didn't get, and she tries again and again, but she didn't get. She was disappointed and came back saying, grapes are sour. अंगूर खट्टे हैं. तो अब जब हम कोई चीज़ नहीं कर पाते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं अंगूर खट्टे हैं. तो to them taking admission in IITs where the sour grapes, they could not take admission in IIT, saying that they were sour grapes. IITs were sour grapes. ये खट्टे हैं. तो इसको इस तरह से बनाया जा सकता है, सावर ग्रैप्स. दूसरा है yeoman सर्विस. yeoman सर्विस का मतलब होता है कि कोई आपकी सहायता करे और खूब कठिन परिस्थिति में आपकी सहायता करे, तो वो कहलाता है yeoman सर्विस. That some agencies are doing yeoman service in a critical moment, like when earthquake comes, when floods come, and when there is a cyclone, there is a tsunami, so many things. So when you serve the people during their critical moment, you are doing yeoman service. आप जो है yeoman service कर रहे हैं. तो yeoman service करते हैं. जैसे if you are in a red class, you are doing a yeoman service. आप रेड क्लास में हैं तो यू आर डूइंग yeoman service. तो guys, some grapes, sour grapes, yeoman service, and pros and cons. Pros and cons मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ का पक्ष और विपक्ष. Suppose you have that one statement, science is boon. Science is boon. विज्ञान वरदान है. And then someone comes, he says, no, science is not boon, science is a curse. So you look at the pros and cons of the science, you will find that science is on the one hand boon, and another hand science is a curse. So if you look far and against side of the coin, it is called pros and cons. पक्ष विपक्ष, पक्ष और विपक्ष, इसको कहते हैं पक्ष और विपक्ष. देखो, पक्ष और विपक्ष. yeoman सर्विस का मतलब होता है मानवीय श्रेष्ठ कार्य. आप इसको हिंदी में लिख लीजिए, और इसका मतलब होता है अंगूर खट्टे हैं. तो इस हिसाब से आप बनाइए सेंटेंस कि ये सब याद आ जाए. ये जैसे मैंने बताया कि आप रेड क्लास सोसाइटी में हैं तो यू आर डूइंग yeoman सर्विस. if you want to speak for and against of the subject, you are speaking for pros and cons of the subject. तो वही चीज़ हुआ. और अगर you try and you didn't get, you say grapes are sour. अगर आप कोशिश करते हैं और नहीं पाते हैं तो you move saying grapes are sour, grapes are sour. तो ऐसे ये इनका ये होता है, इसको अच्छी तरह से समझ लीजिए, and then you can use in your sentence. Thank you so much.